everyone. Welcome to the heart of TATA Imagination Challenge 2023, the idea submission round. We can't wait to hear all about your idea. But before we begin talking about the hows and whats, big congratulations to all of you on making it to round 3 of TATA Imagination Challenge. This is India's biggest idea competition and you should be very proud of making it this far. Some of you might also be feeling a little nervous. That's totally normal. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this masterclass, we'll show you how to streamline your thoughts and refine your idea, and we'll share tips on how to shoot your video pitch. Where do we start? Well, let's start with some questions about you. What are you good at? What are you interested in? Where would you most like to make a difference? Take some time to think about these questions before you answer. Once you know your strengths, interests, and values, you can start thinking about how to use them to make a difference in the world. How do you do that? You could talk to people and do some research. Is there a problem that people are struggling with? Analyze the problem inside out. What's causing it? Who is affected by it? What are the potential solutions? While you're at it, find out if people even want a solution to this problem. If yes, then start brainstorming and note down all the ideas that come to mind. Once you have a list of ideas, you can narrow it down to the best one. Just make sure your idea is fresh and original, or it improves upon an existing way of doing something. To check if your idea is a good one, use this simple 3-point system. First, does your idea work on paper? Think of different problem scenarios where your idea could be used and imagine how your idea might help. Second, share your idea with people you trust. An outside perspective can be helpful. Other people may notice things you didn't and offer suggestions for improvement. Third, test your idea. If possible, develop a prototype of your idea and try it out. Even a small sample size will do. This is a great way to identify and fix problems and fine-tune the details. Now that you've crafted your idea, it's time to work on your presentation. Let's start by getting a little specific about your idea and answering 3 basic questions. 1. What is your idea? This is nothing but a summary of your idea. Explain how your idea solves a real problem or meets an actual need. You can use findings from your research and examples from the testing phase to support your argument. 2. How does your idea work? The TATA Imagination Challenge jury wants to see if you have thought about the execution of your idea. How would you implement your idea if you had the right resources? Think about that. You can also talk about whether your idea is profitable and if there's a market for it. 3. Does your idea make business sense? Many ideas seem great in theory, but the true test is whether you can make a business case for it. It does not have to be a hugely profitable business or have a big market, but it must make business sense. Also, consider if your idea is scalable. Let's recap and break down the video. Start by introducing yourself. 1 line should be enough. Then, it's time to address the 3 big questions. What is your idea? How does your idea work? And does your idea make business sense? For the best effect, try to answer each of these questions in 6 to 7 lines. End your video with a short conclusion of 1 or 2 lines. Here's a pro tip. Read your script aloud a few times with the timer on. Are you able to make the presentation in less than 2 minutes? Adjust your words accordingly. So you have an idea that is fresh, well-defined, and makes business sense. Awesome! Now, all that remains is to film your video presentation. You don't need any fancy equipment. Just a good phone camera or a laptop with a camera, a reliable microphone, and good lighting. Here's how to get it done. One great way to make a simple video look professional is good lighting. Make sure there's no shadow on your face. An easy way to do this is by placing 2 lamps on either side of you. You could also record your video outdoors early in the morning or around dusk when the light is softer. Use a clean, solid-colored background. Stand or sit a few steps away from the background. Also, avoid mirrors or shiny cabinets behind you as they can cause glare. Set up the camera at your eye level. If you don't have a tripod, place the camera on a stack of books. Try not to hold the camera in your hand. This will also help you keep some distance between you and the camera. Put your phone on airplane mode and turn off any fans in the room. Dress for the camera. Wear a solid color. Also, smile and relax. If possible, try to stay in the same position while recording the video. What else? Keep the video under 2 minutes and save it as an MP4 file. Upload it on the Tata Imagination Challenge page on unstop.com. Before you submit your video, do a few rehearsals and play them back for practice and edits. So what are you waiting for? Start filming your video pitch today. Visit tata.com/Tata Imagination Challenge to learn more and submit your video. Show the jury why you deserve to win Tata Imagination Challenge 2023.